Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are going to explore one of the most significant periods in human history, the Industrial Revolution. Imagine a world where machines do the work for you. A world where factories hum with activity and cities grow rapidly. This is the world of the Industrial Revolution, a transformative period that changed the course of human civilization. The need for change. In the 18th century, most people lived in rural areas and made things by hand. Skilled craftsmen would painstakingly produce goods, from textiles to tools, using traditional methods passed down through generations. Manual labor was time-consuming and labor-intensive. It was also limited by the number of skilled craftsmen available. As the population grew, there was a pressing need for faster and more efficient ways to produce goods. The invention of the steam engine by James Watt in 1769 was a major breakthrough. This revolutionary machine allowed for the powering of factories, enabling mass production on a scale never seen before. The steam engine was the catalyst that ignited the Industrial Revolution. New technologies and innovations. New machines like the spinning jenny and the power loom revolutionized textile production. These machines could spin and weave fabric faster and cheaper than ever before, dramatically increasing output and reducing costs. The development of steam-powered locomotives also transformed transportation. Trains could carry goods and people across long distances quickly and efficiently, connecting markets and facilitating the exchange of ideas and resources. The invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse in 1837 enabled rapid communication over long distances. This facilitated business transactions, the coordination of production, and the exchange of information, further fueling the growth of the Industrial Revolution. Impact on society. The Industrial Revolution had a profound impact on society. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to work in factories, creating new urban centers of commerce and industry. New jobs were created, but many workers faced long hours and poor working conditions. The Industrial Revolution also led to the growth of new social classes, with the rise of a wealthy industrial class and the emergence of a large working class. As people moved to cities, they formed new communities and social structures. This led to changes in family dynamics, as traditional roles and responsibilities were reshaped by the demands of industrial life. The Industrial Revolution also brought about shifts in cultural norms and values. Challenges and controversies. The Industrial Revolution was not without its challenges and controversies. Many workers faced hazardous working conditions, long hours, and low wages. Factory owners often prioritized profits over the well-being of their employees. Workers began to organize and demand better working conditions and fairer wages. This led to the formation of labor unions and the fight for workers' rights. The struggle for improved labor standards was a crucial aspect of the Industrial Revolution. Another controversial issue was the use of child labor. Young children were often employed in factories, working long hours in dangerous conditions. This exploitation of the vulnerable sparked outrage and calls for reform. Legacy and impact. The Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of a new era of innovation and technological advancement. It transformed the way goods were produced and had a lasting impact on society, paving the way for the modern world we live in today. Today, we enjoy the benefits of the Industrial Revolution, from smartphones to medical advancements. The innovations and technologies that emerged during this period continue to shape our lives, driving progress and shaping the world around us. Thanks for watching Reading Readiness Centers. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on the fascinating history of the Industrial Revolution.